So, Grok AI is paid now, and you're probably doing the same thing everyone else is, searching all day for a free AI video generator, just to find that hidden limits, watermarks, or some paid trick at the end while exporting. In this video, I'm gonna show you something different. Yes, I've found a tool that's actually free. No watermarks, no limits, and it actually works. It's called QNAI, and right now it's probably one of the most underrated AI tools out there. You can generate full video scenes, cinematic shots, and even animated style visuals. But before even talking about this tool, let me first show you what sort of videos it can create. So these all videos are made just from text and for completely free. If you click on one of them, as you can see here, a user has created a short form video, and you can check the clip. Everything is just perfect. As you can see here, everybody has created different sort of videos, and if we check upon this one, damn, it's amazing. Now let's go and check few other, for example this Ronaldo video.
Sehat dan siap masak. Ayam kampung asli, segar, sehat dan siap masak. Ayam kampung
It even does lip syncing. And here you can see these are some sort of uncensored video, so it also creates those ones. And here you can see it has created a animated video, and let's have a look at that. So we've basically checked many results of QNAI, and now it's time for us to test this tool for ourselves. Never mind if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but it's this website. So search for QNAI and click on this first option. Then just click on this Try QN Studio and click on Sign Up. So here you just have to create an coin account so that you can use this tool for free, unlimited. Now just go with Google account, continue, and that's it. You have successfully created a QNAI account. Now once you're here you can see, if you click on this icon, you can create images, you can create videos. What I prefer is you should first create an image, then you should animate that picture. But in this video, I'm gonna give you a glimpse of the ability to create video of QNAI. So I'm gonna select this create video. Now let's test this QNAI. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and I've asked ChatGPT to give me some random 5 to 6 video prompts to test this new tool. So first of all, let's copy our first prompt and click on enter. And here you can see our first video is generated, and here you can see the size of this is horizontal because I've selected 16:9 ratio. If you want to generate anything for TikTok or Instagram, you can basically check upon these other boxes. Now let's check our first visual. Damn, it's amazing. As you can see here, when the light is glowing, it also glows at his face, and this is amazing detailing. Now let's go to ChatGPT again and copy a random prompt, and let's try this tool for another time. And our second video is successfully generated. Now let's have a look at this video.
Do you remember me?
It is perfect according to my prompt. So here's basically, we have tested this tool multiple times, and you can also just visit their community section where they have uploaded few users' content. You can literally have an idea about these skills and the abilities of this AI tool. And that's it. So this is the final tool that you need to start your AI content creation. Now you don't have to watch any other video telling you about these free AI tools. because this one is literally mind-blowing and a hidden gem. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn how to create AI documentaries, just click on this video. And as always, you're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.